the birthday list begins. Check out this getup that Amelia Charles has on. That is absolutely beautiful right there. My goodness, that purple just pops. Amelia, a very happy birthday in Carthage.
All right, we got Allie Frazier turning 6 years old this year in Carterville. Happy birthday, Allie.
I like that plaid too. Ansley Hale is celebrating her 6th birthday. Ansley is a kindergartner at Park Elementary in Columbus. And so if you're in class or you see Ansley out in the halls today, make sure you wish her a very happy 6th birthday.
Oakland Corwin celebrating birthday number 8 this year. Hope it's a great one, Oakland in Thayer.
Run out to West Mineral, and that's where we find Josiah Overman. He's always looking for a soccer pitch so he can take part. Josiah, a very happy birthday to you, my man.
All right. And Jameson Walker, turning 8 years old as well. Got a little note here. He's a second grader
Looks like a
at
Walker, doesn't he?
Mary's Elementary. Love sports and trading cards. Love Grammy and Papa.
That's great. Yeah. Emery Williams is celebrating her 12th birthday. Emery is in Nevada. And Emery, I want you to know that the special birthday message comes with love from Mom, Dad, JC, and Avon, who wish you the happiest of birthdays.
All right. And Landon Wilson, future basketball star there. Landon is in Neosho. His birthday was actually yesterday, but you know, we're going to celebrate it all weekend long. Turning 12 years old this year.
This dude's now a teenager. Caleb Merrick. Happy 13th, Caleb. And we get a little Labette County pride right there. Happy birthday, my man.
All right. Allie Carlskent turns 14 years old this year with love from the entire family in Pittsburgh.
Let me swing around here. I gotta see. I want to see if Crowder College. Nope. Okay. So Crowder's closed today, but that's okay. Because what that means is that Kaylee Van Way gets to sleep in on her birthday. That's the important part right there. There's Kaylee as she celebrates 19, and she's from Carthage, but right now she's a freshman at Crowder College. So Kaylee, I actually hope that your mom and dad can tell you that we announced your birthday. I hope you are doing the right college kid thing and sleeping in. And then everybody at Crowder, when you see Kaylee on Monday, tell her happy birthday.
All right. And Jonah Hensley celebrating birthday number 19 this year. Wish we could get outdoors like that. Jonah is in Joplin.
Love to know where Jonah was right there. That's nice. Jansen Miller celebrating her 24th birthday. Jansen, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from Mom and Dad. She is in Nevada.
All right. And in Carthage, Jerry Alsdorf.
Whoa!
Turning 84 years old this year. Hope it's a great one, Jerry.
Or Jerry, if you ever want to, take us out for lunch or something. My goodness, that looks wonderful right there. Mm-hmm. I love that. Charlotte King, she is on the left right there. A happy birthday to Charlotte in Columbus, and her sister on the right. I am told she made that cupcake.
That's important.
It's Charlotte's day, but sis is trying to jump in there and be like, "Hey, don't forget, I made that cupcake for you, Charlotte." Happy birthday, Charlotte.
And we've got Maggie Mooney in Columbus celebrating a birthday today. Great picture there of Maggie. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
Donna and Joe Wimp, they are celebrating their 70th anniversary. And I've got a little story about them right here. The 8 children of Don and Joe who were married February 26, 1952. Now, here's the deal. We got a reception going on tomorrow. We're going to roll this from 1 to 4 at the Oswego Community Center. This is open to everybody now. It's not like I'm just like throwing out invitations that shouldn't be. I want you to know that there we go. Saturday, tomorrow, 1 to 4 at the Oswego Community Center. Everybody run out there and wish Don and Joe a happy 70th anniversary. Congratulations, Don and Joe.
I understand it's a come and go celebration too, so you don't, you can.
And
choose
we
your time between 1 and 4.
got one here at home. Who that is?
Our very own Gary Cisco in Master Control. Happy birthday, Gary.
Happy birthday, Gary. Love that dude. Used to have our same schedule. Get to see him a whole lot more. Richard Schramm celebrating his 81st birthday. Mr. Schramm is in Nevada, Riverton, excuse me. Very happy birthday to you, Richard. Bob Rowland celebrating a birthday. He goes by Buck. You may know him as Buck. Happy birthday, Buck. And Mary Lou Wilson. Mary Lou is celebrating her 95th birthday. Mary Lou, a happy birthday to you in Chanute.
All right, Alice Cooper is celebrating. Yeah, Alice Cooper in Columbus.
No, it's not that. It's our Alice Cooper here in the 4 states, Tanya. It's a different.
No, we don't have an age on him. This Alice.
Our Alice Cooper is much nicer than the other Alice Cooper.
Okay.
Which is terrible because I don't even know like the singer Alice Cooper. I actually just kind of threw him under the bus.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Alice.
And Madison Joe Haggerty is celebrating a birthday in Frontenac.
A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Remember, go out there and wish the Wimps a happy 70th anniversary as well. That's where you can send them into birthdays at koamtv.com. You can also go to our website at koamnewsnow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Coming up,